Justin, what makes you come to this 4-day EQSP?
Because I got sinus problems and very weak neck and shoulders.
You're very young, you know. How old are you?
23.
Well, you're 23. Did you see your other doctors since then and so forth?
Not really. Like when I was young, they said I got sinus, and not really I can do about it. They say that's not really. They don't have really try to cure for it.
Anyway, right now you come for my 4-day seminar. This is the 4th day. You're gone for 3 days. Can you describe how do you feel today?
Pretty good. My sinus has cleared almost all of it, and feeling very good. My shoulder was pain for a few days, and now I think it's alright.
Are you rather surprised the effect is quite fast?
Yeah, I was rather surprised. Yeah.
Did you expect it or you hope for it?
Hoping.
So at first your bit of skepticism does come in. Can't help it, isn't it?
Not really. Just like I believe like what Master Wong had done to other people, heal other people, but yeah, I want it for myself.
You want to see whether it's true or not?
Yeah, that's right.
So after these 3 days, we only finished 3 days, we haven't only 4 days yet, you know? So does it really work now?
Yeah, pretty much.
Is your money well spent?
Not my money actually.
It's even better. Okay, anyway, do you think that this one will help you for the rest of your life?
Yep, definitely.
So you came with a little bit of skepticism, but now I think you're a believer. Am I correct?
Yep, that's right.
Would you like your best friend to have this chi synergy, or yes or no?
Yep, yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.